To disable Wi-Fi power saving mode to improve your browsing experience in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. And then tap the blue on off switch next to Wi-Fi power saving mode to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, your phone will not limit the battery usage consumed by Wi-Fi, so all tasks, including with your browsing activity, will not be affected. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.